Welcome back to Sailing Tela Ru. We are currently in Ibiza, Spain. In our last video, we brought y'all along for a hike with an incredible view, some no-bake cheesecake, and some dinner. Today, however, we're spending basically the entire video in the water. We started the day off though on the paddleboard. We've been dinging to land each day for our morning walk or hike. But today, we decided to make our way to the shore on the paddleboard. Shawn tried standing up to paddleboard, but Delilah and I were actually throwing off his balance, so he paddled us to shore mostly from his knees.
Windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be.
After Delilah Girl did her business, it was time to get back to Tela Ru because we have to get to work cleaning our hull. One of Shawn's sandals fell off of the paddleboard, so he had to go swim and go get it before we started cleaning the hull. Alright y'all, we are about to go down and clean the bottom of Tela Ru. We're going to get the hull all cleaned, and then also we're about to get these earplugs in. I know in one of our videos when we cleaned our hull, everybody's like, wear earplugs, and we were, but we just want to let y'all know this time we're wearing earplugs. Right before we jumped in, we noticed this lovely jellyfish hanging out around the boat, so we waited a few minutes for that little beauty to pass by before jumping in. We actually have seen several jellyfish around the boat the past few days. Before we started cleaning, we did a little swim all the way around Tela Ru to assess the job. As you can see, there aren't really any barnacles or anything to speak of on the majority of the hull. Mainly just needs a dust off, so to speak. The anchorage has so cleared out from when we got here a couple days ago. didn't see any barnacles on the main hull areas, but there did end up being a few tiny ones between the top of the rudder and bottom of the hull. The bottom paint may have been applied a little thin in this area.
An old country saying is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If a job is too hard, it's 'cause you're doing it wrong. Well, y'all, let me tell you, cleaning the bottom of the hull ain't easy, even if you're doing it right. Hull cleaning is damn sure not my favorite thing about sailing around the world, but as my grandma used to say, some things in life you don't have to like, you just have to do.
Get a little something on my stomach because I'm feeling really I gotta get one. Look at my face. Lovely. So we worked really hard getting the hull cleaned this morning, spending our time underwater, using a lot of energy. So we thought it would be the perfect time to have a smoothie. So we're gonna have a smoothie for lunch. Alright, I'm gonna do a little taste test. See if this is good or see if we want to add any ingredients. That's pretty good. What do we want in there? It just needs a little something to make it maybe a little bit less tart. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Yay!
That there is mighty refreshing. Did good, darling. Fine. Real fine on a hot, sunny, sweaty day. Some refreshing fruit melon smoothie. Even healthy tasting, y'all.
After the big undertaking of cleaning the hull, Shawn and I relaxed in the cockpit that evening, and Shawn enjoyed a Davidoff cigar like the classy man that he is. This beautiful anchorage speaks for itself.
Got a problem?
Yeah.